it's me, Mario, and today I'm going to show you something that I haven't shown before. So I've been wanting to film a video with the storm for ages, and now we finally have one. It is big and brilliant ever. It's pouring rain outside right now. We have the windows open. It probably isn't the best idea, but you know, we don't really care. Anyway, so yeah, I'm just gonna hang out and meet him. So let's go. Oh, I don't know if you guys saw that, but I just saw a lightning strike. I swear, we can catch one on camera. We can catch one on camera. I swear. Come on. Lightning up here. Come on. Me. Really? Wow, this is stupid. Yeah, we're never gonna catch a lightning strike. That's just like those lucky people that actually catch lightning strikes on camera. They're lucky, like really. Anyway, yeah, it's big up there. Let's sit in my room. Wonder where Luigi is. Wait, Luigi's scared of thunderstorms. That means the basement. He's probably under here. Mario, the thunderstorm. I know, Luigi, it's a little thunderstorm. Jeez, if you're such a baby, here you go. Here's the cup. Take everything. My God, you're such a baby. You're never gonna get over your thunderstorms. Jeez. I'm watching Q Mario Bros, but I can't show it because I don't want to get copyrighted by the Q Mario Bros. So yeah, sit back upstairs. Oh, thunder's really rumbling right there. What a shoot. I need to go downstairs. Whoa! You know what, Luigi? I think I'm just gonna join you down here. I hate that you're changing your mind, Mario. It's really thundering out there. Yeah, pouring rain too. Man, my phone might go out. Anyway, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on GD75. Bye!